Desk job got you down? Hey everybody, you know how it is. You're at work, staring at a computer screen, and suddenly you realize you haven't moved in an hour, except for to reach for another bag of chips. Your neck is stiff, your shoulders are up to your ears, and your back feels like it's tied in knots. Well, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be this way. With a few simple desk stretches, you can say goodbye to office stress and hello to a happier, healthier you. They help reduce tension, improve your posture, and even boost your productivity. And the best part is, you can do them right at your desk without looking like you're auditioning for Cirque du Soleil. So, are you ready to feel amazing and impress your coworkers with your newfound flexibility? Of course you are. Let's get stretching. The neck stretch. All right, let's start with our necks. I don't know about you, but sometimes I catch my reflection and think, when did I turn into a turtle? You know, all hunched over. It's not a good look for anyone. So let's gently stretch those neck muscles. Tilt your head to the right, like you're trying to touch your ear to your shoulder. Don't actually touch it though. We're going for gentle, not a workplace injury. Hold it there for 15 to 30 seconds and just breathe. Feel that tension melting away? Now do the same thing on the other side. See? Doesn't that feel amazing? Now the shoulder stretch. Next up, shoulders. Let's be honest, we all carry a lot of stress in our shoulders. But you know what? We don't have to. We can just shrug it off, literally. Lift those shoulders up towards your ears like you're trying to touch them. Again, no need to actually touch them, unless you're some kind of contortionist. And then, hey, maybe show us how it's done later. Doesn't that feel better already? On to the seated spinal twist now. Let's give our spines a little love with a seated twist. Because who couldn't use a little twist in their life, right? Sit up straight and place your right hand on your left knee. Now, gently twist your upper body to the left, like you're looking over your shoulder. Hold it there for 15 to 30 seconds and breathe. Imagine you're wringing out all the stress and tension, just like you would a wet towel. Okay, maybe not exactly like that, but you get the idea. Now, switch sides and twist to the right. See? You're practically a pretzel already. Then onto wrist and finger stretches. Let's give those hard-working fingers a break, shall we? They do so much for us, typing all day long. It's time to show them some love. Extend your right arm forward, palm up. Now gently pull back on your fingers with your left hand, holding for 15 to 30 seconds. Feel that stretch in your wrist and forearm? That's the good stuff. Now switch sides and stretch your left hand. The seated forward bend, last but not least, let's give a little bow to our desks. Don't worry, we're not actually going to worship them. We're just going to give our backs a nice stretch. Sit up straight with your feet flat on the floor. Now, hinge at your hips and reach for your toes. Don't worry if you can't actually reach them, I'm not judging. Just go as far as you can comfortably. Hold that stretch for 15 to 30 seconds and breathe. Feel that tension releasing in your back? Ah, that's the stuff. You're now a workplace wellness warrior, so there you have it. 5 easy desk stretches that will help you say goodbye to office stress and hello to a happier, healthier you. And who knows, you might even become the office hero when you share these stretches with your coworkers. Just imagine them all gathered around your desk, looking to you for guidance as they stretch and de-stress. You'll be like a workplace wellness warrior. But seriously, taking care of your physical and mental health at work is so important. These stretches are a great way to relieve tension, improve your focus, and just feel better overall. So make them a part of your daily routine and see the difference it makes. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more stress-busting tips and tricks. And be sure to leave a